How to fix DeepSeek AI not working. Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DeepSeek AI not working. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started first of all on your phone. Head over to your preferred web browser on your browser, tap on the search bar and search for DeepSeek status in the search results. You can see the link with status. DeepSeek.com, navigate to this site. In this site, you can see the performance graphs of Deep's AI over the time. If the graph is red, it means that Deep's AI is having the major out A, so you have to wait until it gets fixed and turns into this green signal due to DeepSeek AI being widely used. It is having server outs time and again, so you have to check up on that. Another way to fix DPS AI not working is to check your internet connection. If you go to your settings, if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is working. If you're using your mobile data, you can even check your mobile networks. And if you have the DeepSeek AI app installed on your phone sometime, this app might also need an update, so you can head over to your Play Store, search for DeepSeek. And if you tap on this app page, you might see the option to update over here. If you see that option, you can update this app. It can also help sometimes. So that's it. You can try various options in order to fix DeepSeek AI not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.